Hello mga kawawmat! In this video lesson, we'll discuss about the measure of central tendency of ungrouped data. So, i-compute natin how to compute the mean, median, and mode of ungrouped data. Mean is the most commonly used measure of central tendency. When we speak of average, we always refer to the mean. So like for example, you're going to compute your general average for your first quarter grade. So that is, we're using the mean. We refer for the mean. It is the sum of all items or terms divided by the total number of items or terms. So, using this formula, so this symbol, so itong symbol na to, ito yung ginagamit natin for mean. And then this one, that is the sum of the scores. And yung capital letter N natin, that is the total number of scores. Okay, so tandaan natin yung formula na to, itong gagamitin natin to compute the mean of ungrouped data. For example, 10 students got the following grade in Mathematics 10, 83, 70, 95, 90, 88, 96, 90, 90, 75, and 85. So, find the mean. So, first, identify muna natin yung mga given natin na gagamitin natin sa formula. So, yung given na grades, meron tayong 83, so ito yung given na grades, and then yung n natin, so kung ilan, no? Kung ilan yung elements o kung ilan yung scores na binigay. So since meron tayong 10, no? 10 grades, so yung n natin is 10. And now, substitute lang natin sa formula. So get the sum, so add lang natin lahat ito and then get the sum, and that is 862. Then divide by 10. So 862 divide 10, the answer is 86.2. So ibig sabihin, the average of 10 students, okay, or the means of the 10 students of Mathematics 10 is 86.2. Another example, the ages of 5 contestants in a statistics quiz B are the following: 18, 17, 18, 19, and 8. So, average age. So, ganun din ang gagawin natin. So, kailangan natin kunin muna yung mga given, no, sa problem natin. So, yung given natin is the ages of 5 contestant. So, therefore, yung n natin is 5. Okay? So, after that, substitute sa formula. Add lang natin. Get the sum of all ages. So, 18 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 18. Divide 5, the answer is 90. Divide 5. So, 90 divide 5, the answer is 18. So, ibig sabihin, the age of 5 contestants or the average of 5 contestants in statistics quiz B is 18. Weighted mean. So, the weighted mean of the n numbers, so kadalasan ginagamit ito kapag sa research, no? Ginagamit rin to. And n numbers, x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3, to x sub n with the respective assigned weights. So, ano yung formula to compute the weighted mean? So, using that formula, where your summation of x or the quantity of the product of x and weights, so that is the sum of the products formed by multiplying each number by its assigned weight. And then, the summation of weight, so this one, the symbol is the sum of all weights. So, paano natin gagamitin yan? So, let's say we have this problem. Joanne wants to determine the average grade of Angeline in Filipino, Mathematics, English, PE, and Science, which receive a corresponding grade of 88, 95, 98, 94, and 86, with weights of 1.3, 1.9, 1.5, 1.1, and 1.6 respectively. So, what is Angeline's average grade? So, first, kunin natin yung grades ni Angeline. So, ano yung grades niya? Meron tayo 88, 95, 98, 94, and 86. and the corresponding weight. So, ano yung corresponding weight? So, 1.3, 1.9, 1.5, 1.1, and 1.6. So, after that, using the formula for weighted mean, so, ang gagawin natin, imumultiply natin yung grade sa corresponding weights niya. So, that is 88 times 1.3 plus 95 times 1.9 plus 98 times 1.5 plus 94 times 1.1 plus 86 times 1.6. And then sa denominator natin yung summation ng weights. Okay, so add natin ito lahat. So 1.3 plus 1.9 plus 1.5 plus 1.1 and 1.6. And then simplify. So that is 682.9 divided 7.4. So the answer is 92.28. So Angeline's average grade in 5 subjects is 92.28. So another measures of central tendency is the median. So how to compute the median of ungrouped data? The median is the midpoint of the data array. So before finding this value, the data must be arranged in order from least to greatest or vice versa. So the median will either be a specific value or will fall between two values. So kapag yung given na data or the given score and elements ay odd number, ibig sabihin class, meron lang tayong isang gitna dyan or the middle data. Okay? So may isang middle data tayo, that is the median or the midpoint. So, or ang gawin nyo kapag add numbers, so divide lang nyo. Let's say for example, ito 5. May given na 5. So, 5 divide 2, i-divide nyo lang sa 2, that is 2.5. So, 2.5, so, ibig sabihin 3 na yon. So, yung pang 3. Okay? So, kung hindi na pa sa pang tatlong distribution, so that is your median. Pero kapag even number naman class, okay? Kapag even number, so, ibig sabihin meron tayong dalawang gitna, no? May dalawang middle score tayo. So, ano ang gagawin natin kapag dalawa yung middle score natin? Add natin yung dalawa and then divide it by 2. So, that is your median. So, ganito ang pagkuha ng median class. Okay? Kapag add number, so, meron tayong isa, yung pinakagitna, yun yung median. Kapag even number, ang given, so, yung dalawang gitna, i-add natin, divide it by 2. Okay? But, make sure class na naka-arrange yung data nyo, okay, in ascending order or in descending order. So, for example, there are 9 students in a classroom with ages 18, 19, 21, 21, 18, 20, 17, 22, and 23. Determine the median. Okay, so again, anong unang gagawin? Kailangan ma-arrange natin yung data in ascending or descending order. So, bahala kayo kung in ascending or descending order. So, dito, in-arrange ko in ascending order mula sa mababa pataas. And after that, identify natin ilan sila lahat. So ito ay 9, no? 9 students. So, ibig sabihin add number. So, add number, paano ko makukuha ngayon yung median? So, di-divide ko lang. 9 divide 2, so that is 4.5. So, 4.5, so round, ibig sabihin yung pang 5. Okay? So, bilang tayo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ibig sabihin yung pang 5, yung median natin. Okay? Okay, tingnan nyo na lang. Sino yung pinakagitna nila nung 9 na ages? So, ibig sabihin, the median is the 5th observation which is 20. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? So, there are 4 students younger than 20 and 4 students also older than 20. So, ganyan ang pagkuha ng median. Another example, 8 books were randomly selected and the number of pages were recorded as follows: 415, 398, 400, 420, 415, 407, and 425. Find their median. So first, arrange natin yung data natin in ascending or descending order. So, ito ay naka-arrange in ascending order. So, then identify natin ilan sila lahat. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8, di ba? So, that is even number. So, hindi to kagaya sa previous example natin na odd number. So, kapag even number class, ibig sabihin, meron tayong dalawang gitna. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin doon? So, identify natin yung dalawang middle data natin. So, after nyan, i-add natin yung dalawang yan, then divide it by 2. So, ganun ang gawin. Okay? So, kapag even number, yung given nating class, so, ibig sabihin, may dalawang gitna tayo, then add natin silang dalawa, divide it by 2. So, 407 plus 415 divide 2, that is 411. So this is the last measure central of the last measures of central tendency, the mode of ungrouped data. So how to get the mode of the ungrouped data? So first, it is the value that occurs most often in the data set. So the number value observation in a data set which appear the most number of times. So mas madali identify yung mode kasi hindi tayo magko-compute dito. So titingnan lang natin kung anong score yung pinakamarami sa distribution. Okay? So for example, find the mode of the given data set 15, 28, 25, 18, 22, 43, 39, 44, 43, 49, 34, 22, 33, 27, 25, 22, and 30. So, una, i-arrange nyo muna para mas madali natin makita at ma-identify natin kung anong score o based dito sa problem, anong score dyan ang pinakamarami. Okay? So, i-arrange natin. So, para makita agad natin. So, dito, makikita nyo na meron tayong tatlong 22, dalawang 25, okay, dalawang 43. So, ano yung pinakamarami dyan? That is 22. So, kung ano yung pinakamarami class, yan yung mode natin. So, in the given data, the number that appeared the most number of times is 22. So, therefore, yung mode natin dito is 22. And then, the data set is said to be unimodal. So, kung isa lang yung mode nating class, ang tawag dyan, unimodal. Okay? Next. The speed of 10 stenographers in typing per minute are as follows. So 121, 110, 120, 119, 112, 121, 118, 115, 107, and 115. So, ganun din gagawin. I-arrange natin from or in ascending order and descending order. So, nasa sa inyo yun. Now, so makikita natin, okay, nung in-arrange natin, meron tayong dalawang 115 and then meron tayong dalawang 121. Paano yan? Pareho sila. So, since dalawa yung data na pareho sila na tigda dalawa, so therefore, yung ano natin dito, yung mode natin ay dalawa din. So, that is 115 and 121. So kapag dalawa yung mode nating class, ibig sabihin, the data set is said to be bimodal. Okay? Next. How about in the given data? What is the mode? So 2, 5, 8, 9, 11, 4, 7, and 23. So dito class, makikita natin, sa given pa lang, makikita nyo na wala dyang score, lahat sila pare-parehas na tig-iisa. So therefore, kapag ganyan na lahat sila equally distributed, so pare-parehas, walang na yung 2 natin isa lang din, yung 5 isa lang din, ganun din sa iba. So kapag ganito class, there is no mode. Okay? So kapag wala tayong makitang score na nag-appear ng pangalawa at pangatlong beses, there is no mode. Okay? Next. So solve the following problems that involves mean, median, and mode of ungrouped data. Number 1, The grades of 20 high school students in mathematics are 75, 78, 79, 80, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 94, and 95. Find the mean, median, and mode. Okay, so kunin natin yung tatlo. So for the mean, add lang natin yung 20 na grades. Okay, so hindi ko na nilagay lahat kasi masyadong mahaba, no? So i-add nyo lahat ng 20 na grades, so from 75 to 95, and divide it by 20. So the answer will be 87.15. So that is the average of 20 high school students in mathematics. So 87.15. Next, median. So anong tatandaan natin kapag kukunin natin yung median? Dapat naka-arrange from it's either in ascending order or in descending order. So ito from 75 to 95, so ascending order to, mula sa mababa pataas. Since meron tayong even number, kasi 20 ito, so ibig sabihin may dalawang gitna tayo dito. So paano natin ma-identify agad, class, yung gitna kapag ganito karami na? So una, i-divide natin sa 2 yung bilang. So 20 divide 2, that is 10. So ibig sabihin, ang dalawang gitna niyan, yung sagot mo and then yung kasunod. So yung 10, yung pang number 10 at yung pang number 11. So again, kapag masyadong mahaba, kunin natin yung median, ang gagawin mo, i-divide mo muna sa 2. Lalo na kapag even number, so kagaya nito 20, even number. So para madali natin makita yung dalawang gitna, i-divide nyo sa 2. 20 divide 2, that is 10. So ibig sabihin, yung isa doon, yung pang 10, at yung pangalawa, yung pang 11. Okay? So, ganun lagi. So, since dalawa yung gitna natin, add natin yan and divide it by 2. So, 88 plus 89 divide 2, the answer is 88.5. Next, mode natin. So, arrange din natin yan from in ascending or descending order. So, para mabilis natin makita kung ano yung scores o yung grades na nag-appear ng pangalawa at pangatlong beses. So, tingnan natin. Okay, so, yung 90 natin, tatlo. And 94, dalawa. So, alin sa dalawa? So, yung 90 kasi tatlong beses. So, ibig sabihin, the mode is 90. Next problem. The mean of the set of 40 numbers is 25. Okay? 40 numbers is 25. Ito yung average daw. 25. Find the sum of 40 numbers. So, paano natin kukunin yung sum para yung summation ng x? So, using the formula ng mean, so anong hinahanap? Ito yung hinahanap, class. Ang given, ito, saka ito. So, binigay yung given. So, yung mean daw ay 25, tapos yung n is 40. So, paano natin makukompute to? Okay? Ang gagawin lang, substitute muna natin. 40 is equal to the summation of x over 25. So, para makompute natin ito, imu-multiply lang natin silang dalawa. So, 40 times 25, that is 1,000. So, kapag chinek natin, 1,000 divide 25, that is 40. Okay? Another problem. So, the average IQ of 10 students in mathematics subject is 114. If 9 of the students have IQ of 101, 125, 118, 128, 106, 115, 108, 100, 118, and 108. So again, so what must be the other IQ result? So dito, binigay yung 9 IQ, okay? IQ scores ng estudyante. Now, may hinahanap na isa. So, kasi 10 students to, no, in mathematics subject. So, binigay yung average niya nung 10 students in mathematics, that is 114. And then, ang binigay lang dito 9. So, ano yung isa? Okay? So, yun ang hahanapin natin. So, again, using the formula for mean, so that is 114 yung average ng 10 estudyante. And then, ito yung 9 na binigay plus X. So, i-represent natin, let X be, that is the IQ result of one student. So, ito yung hahanapin natin. So, ano itong isa na to? So, paano natin gagawin yan? So, first, okay, multiply natin yung 114 kay 10. So that is 114 times 10, that is 1,140. Equals, then add natin itong 9 result ng IQ ng siyam na estudyante. So that is 1,019 plus X. So ang gagawin natin, solve for X. So X is equal to, so lipat natin yung 1,019 dito. Okay, 1,140 minus 1,019, X is equal to 121. So, ibig sabihin, class, yung isang IQ result is 121. Okay, so kapag chinek natin yan, dapat kapag inad nyo to, kasama yung 121 divide by 10, the answer is 114. Okay, so that is how to compute the mean, median, and mode of ungrouped data.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo for more video tutorial. This is your guide in learning your math lesson, your Wow Math channel.